Wells Fargo charges fees for using non-Wells Fargo ATMs internationally. Expect a $5 foreign transaction fee per withdrawal, plus fees charged by the foreign ATM operator, typically $3 to $7 per transaction. This can add up to $8 to $12 per withdrawal. Using Wells Fargo branded ATMs are free. Be aware of the fees and plan accordingly. Wells Fargo's daily ATM withdrawal limit is generally $1,000 for most accounts, but it can be as low as $500 for some account types. There is also a limit of 5 to 10 withdrawals per day to prevent fraud. When traveling internationally, these limits might be even lower due to network restrictions in different regions. It's best to request a temporary limit increase through the Wells Fargo app or by visiting a branch before your trip to ensure you can access your funds without problems. Wells Fargo introduced the Travel Alert feature in its mobile app in mid-2025 as a response to consumer concerns about hidden fees. This feature helps improve transparency by notifying users of upcoming ATM fees and suggesting fee-free alternatives. When you approach an ATM overseas, the app sends a notification showing the estimated fees for that withdrawal. This includes both Wells Fargo's foreign transaction fee and any operator fees from the ATM itself. The app then recommends nearby Wells Fargo ATMs or partner locations where fees can be avoided. To access this feature, you'll need the Wells Fargo mobile app, available on both iOS and Android app stores. The Travel Alert integrates seamlessly with your existing app experience. The feature was developed following consumer feedback and regulatory scrutiny over fee transparency. While it doesn't eliminate fees entirely, it empowers users to make informed decisions about their banking choices. To receive travel alerts, make sure push notifications are enabled in your phone settings for the Wells Fargo app. The alerts appear in real time as you approach international ATMs, helping you avoid unexpected charges. This represents Wells Fargo's commitment to better fee disclosure, following a 2024 settlement that required enhanced transparency features. Users can now plan their withdrawals more effectively and potentially save money on international travel. Remember that while travel alerts help with awareness, combining this feature with other strategies like using credit cards or fintech alternatives can further reduce your international banking costs. To get the most out of this feature, enable location services and notifications for the Wells Fargo app before your travels. This ensures you receive timely alerts when abroad. A foreign transaction fee, or FTF, is charged when you make ATM withdrawals abroad. While many U.S. banks charge a percentage of the withdrawal, Wells Fargo applies a flat $5 fee for each transaction. This fee applies specifically to ATM cash withdrawals, not to purchases made with your card. It is also charged when using a non-Wells Fargo ATM to withdraw cash. To avoid international ATM fees with Wells Fargo, start by using Wells Fargo's own ATMs when available abroad. These locations waive the foreign transaction fee, saving you money on cash withdrawals. Another effective way to avoid fees is to use credit cards for purchases instead of ATM withdrawals. Credit cards often have better foreign transaction perks and may earn rewards, reducing overall costs when traveling internationally. For contactless payments, consider using digital wallets like Apple Pay. These services allow you to make purchases without traditional cards, avoiding ATM fees entirely where accepted. Many merchants now support contactless payment options. Finally, consider switching to banks that offer zero international ATM fees, such as Capital One. These institutions provide fee-free withdrawals abroad, making them a smart choice for frequent travelers who want to avoid hidden costs. Fintech companies like Revolut and Chime offer compelling alternatives to traditional banks for international withdrawals. These digital services provide zero ATM fees worldwide, helping travelers avoid the $5 foreign transaction fee charged by Wells Fargo. Revolut is a popular fintech app that allows users to withdraw cash from ATMs anywhere in the world without fees. Their mobile interface makes it easy to manage your money on the go. Similarly, Chime provides fee-free international ATM access for its users. This digital banking alternative has attracted many customers looking to save on banking costs. Compared to Wells Fargo's $5 foreign transaction fee, these fintech options can save you significant money. For example, on a trip requiring multiple withdrawals, the savings add up quickly. As more travelers discover these cost effective solutions, fintech alternatives are rapidly gaining popularity in the international banking space. Imagine withdrawing $200 in Paris from a non Wells Fargo ATM. You'll face Wells Fargo's $5 foreign transaction fee plus the ATM operator's fee of around 50 USDs, totaling $12.50 in fees. Over a 10-day trip with multiple withdrawals, these fees add up significantly. For example, with 20 withdrawals, you could pay $250 in fees alone. Switching to a fee-free alternative could save you $50 or more on the same trip. The ATM fee landscape is evolving rapidly. Trends point towards a significant decline in ATM usage due to the rise of digital banking and fintech solutions. Pressure for fee transparency is growing, with consumers demanding clear alerts and disclosures through mobile apps. Regulatory changes, such as proposed caps on ATM fees, may limit charges to just $3–4 per transaction in the near future. Banks are exploring cashless initiatives, expanding partnerships for digital transfers and contactless payments. While fees may persist in some regions where cash remains essential, expect more options for fee-free international transactions in the coming years.